Preparing hot sandwich.
Good afternoon, everyone.
You are now watching Mix and Magic Cooking Show.
Today, we are starting the show in preparing the ingredients for hot sandwich. First things first, we are going to open up some burger buns so that there won't be much hassle later on. Put some oil and wait for it to boil. These are the following ingredients: buns, lettuce, onions, cheese, ketchup, and mustard. First things first, put the mustard on top of the bun for the moistening agent or as spread. Second, put some lettuce on top of the bun. Third, we will put 3 pieces of burger patties. Fourth, we will put cheese on top of the burger patties. Fifth, we will put some onions on top of the cheese. Then, we will put ketchup on top of the onions for the moistening agent. Lastly, to finish this off, we will put some buns on top of it all.
This coming Christmas, you can share this quarter pounder burger with your loved ones.
Merry Christmas! Cheers! From Mix and Magic Cooking Show.
Preparing sandwiches.
And we're gonna make a multi-decker sandwich.
Named by ham, bacon, and cheese sandwich.
In preparing sandwich, here are the ingredients.
12 seconds later.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're.
So, yun guys, ito yung finished product namin.
Ang sarap talaga, grabe.
Pinatakam talaga. So, yun, natikman na namin yung una namin gawa. So, ito yung pangalawa. So, titikman na namin.
Gumabay. Go na!